Begin this walk to Golden Cap at Langan Hill Car Park. It's just a short 10-15 minute walk up to the top of Golden Cap. Golden Cap is the highest point on the Dorset coast. It is also twice the height of the iconic White Cliffs of Dover. Begin this walk in a short wooded section which gives us plenty of shade from the blistering heat that we are fortunate to be experiencing today. Come to a fork in the path. Take the left hand fork. There's a signpost for Coast Path Golden Cap. I followed it down a slope. Come to another turning here and we go down to our left, still heading downhill. Comes to this other junction, you'll see the sign Seatown and Chiddock to the left. There are two of the alternative starting points for this walk. You go to the right to Golden Cap. I chose Langdon Hill because as a member of the National Trust I can park there for free. Being a Yorkshireman, I'm very careful with my money. There you have it, the Golden Cap, highest point on the Dorset coastline. Well, hope you enjoyed that video of the Golden Cap here on Out and About with Martin. Want to see more of my walks, visit various places and events, subscribe to my channel. Down here in Dorset for a few days, doing a bit more filming, so see you again soon. Thank you.